Multiple raids by the NIA in Jammu and Kashmir. The anti-terror probe agency carried out raids in at least 10 locations of Anantnag, Avantipora, Baramulla and Srinagar. The joint operation of NIA, IB and RAW along with Jammu and Kashmir Police and CRPF were carried out in connection with a case that pertains to recruitment, radicalization and propagation of ISIS. It is revealed after the investigation that a team of ISIS associates based in Jammu and Kashmir and Delhi were publishing a radical magazine. The magazine has so far published 17 editions that covers India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Maldives. The probe agencies have arrested 5 alleged associates of Islamic States in connection with the case. All are local Kashmiris. Intelligence sources have also said the NIA team conducted searches at Darul Uloom office in Srinagar and arrested its chairman, Adnan Ahmed Nadwi. Some office records and a laptop has also been seized. Kamaljeet and Ashraf Wani are joining us for the very latest. Kamaljeet, for the moment, if you could just tell us what the findings of the NIA are with the multiple raids that were carried out in 10 locations.
It is one of the biggest collaborations between the NIA, the IB and the RAW. This magazine, Voice of Hind, is a radical magazine aimed at Muslims in India and obviously to instigate them against the government and the centre. What is also significant is that this magazine was in operation in 2019 and subsequently in years. This was busted several times earlier. Run by a Pakistani who is married to a Kashmiri, married to a Hunger's daughter, who's somebody who's from downtown. Later on, subsequently, Dr. Hina and her husband were arrested by Delhi Police Special Cell. The case finally went to NIA. The third time around now, Umar Bhatt, who's from Achabal, is the man who's of key interest to NIA. And we've been told that despite scanning down several of the IP addresses, which were later found to Peru, to Cuba, to several other locations, was finally hunted down to Achabal in South Kashmir. This after RAW had shared inputs that this particular IP address was active in Afghanistan. But the Americans reverted back to RAW and gave them the address of Achabal. And this is where, after several months of surveillance in NIA along with IB and RAW, working on it continuously, registered a new case. The NIA registered a new case some 10 days ago, and we've been told they swooped down. They came on the 9th of July and they have subsequently swooped down in 10 different locations. At least 9 people are being questioned. We've been told at least 5-6 people have been held. Now, formal arrest is something that the NIA will subsequently tell us about. At this point of time,
hold on right there, Kamaljeet. Ashraf Wani is also joining us for the latest detail. Ashraf, do we have details of all those who have been arrested?
Absolutely, Cheti. Basically, the 5 people had been arrested in this case so far, and the still raids are going on in the Baramulla. These raids may continue for coming hours or coming days in different locations, because there is very important the detention of 5 youths from the 4 from the South Kashmir, 1 from the Srinagar, when the NIA and other security agencies will interrogate them. They may give some further clues about the link of this ISIS online cell in the Jammu and Kashmir, and probably some more detentions and arrests are expected in coming days.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks, Kamaljeet and Ashraf, both for joining us with the very latest details. Intensifying crackdown against the elements linked to terrorists and separatists, the Jammu and Kashmir government has sacked the sons of Hizbul Mujahideen chief Saeed Salahuddin from their services. Salahuddin's sons Saeed Ahmed Shakil and Shahid Yusuf were sacked over the charges of raising, receiving, collecting and transferring funds through Hawala transaction for terror activities of Hizbul Mujahideen. In addition to Salahuddin's sons, 9 other government employees have also been sacked. That include 2 Jammu and Kashmir policemen for their alleged involvement in terror and anti-national activities. The employees have been sacked on the recommendation of a designated committee for scrutinizing the Union territory.
अच्छा कदम लिया गया है, मैं इसकी सराहना करता हूं, क्योंकि इन लोगों को जब तक चिन्हित नहीं किया जाएगा तब तक ये पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है कि मिलिटेंसी को समाप्त किया जाए। ये तो एक शुरुआत है। इसके अलावा और भी लोगों को चिन्हित करके जल्द से जल्द उन पर कार्रवाई हो